Hey y'all, Beth here again, and welcome to weeks 10 and 11, the end of the term. We have 2 assignments these weeks, one each. They're not that large, they're not worth that much in the great scheme of things, but they are an excellent way to pull your grade up this end of the term if you feel as if you need to. The first one on week 10 is the exploration, you see this here on the screen, the exploration of different modalities. Modalities, I mean by that, a different way of expressing yourself. I'm asking you this week, not due until Sunday, to take the thesis of your research paper that was due last week, week 9, translate it. Translate it into a different form. Using your same argument, translate it either visually, auditorily, maybe a letter to the editor, so a different way of using text. We live in a world now where just writing on the page or on the screen isn't always enough. We need illustrations, we need graphs, we need cartoons. People have explored, this is thinking outside the box. People have done podcasts for this assignment. People have drawn cartoons. They've done mini graphic novels, a lot of PowerPoint presentations, a lot of Prezi presentations. Let your imagination run wild. This is the end of the term. Have fun. Then week 11, so week 10, I'm asking you to look outside the box. In week 11, I'm asking you to do the opposite, to look inward. At the beginning of the term, if you remember, I had you do a personal narrative where I asked you about your writing background and asked you basically, what did you want to get from this course? Now I'm asking you to complete the circle and to write a very short evaluation, self-evaluation, about how your writing stands now. For many of you, this is the last writing course you'll ever have to take the rest of your life. What are you going to do to continue to improve your writing? How do you see it right now? You're not always going to have a writing teacher who will go through and have comments and say, comma, splice, or where's your thesis? You'll just have people who react to it in different ways. And as we have always said, there is no career path you can take beyond the entry-level position where you won't need to write reports of some sort. So take advantage of this. This one is due on Wednesday of week 11. That's exam week. And as always, if you need help, give me a call.